I have been creating content on YouTube for 6 years now, and I have learned just one thing, and that is utilization of resources. You're thinking of starting a YouTube channel, but your budget is less. You're at the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to show you a few products that can help you in your video production. Time नहीं waste करते हैं, सीधा point पे आते हैं. The most important part of a YouTube video is definitely not the video quality, but the sound quality. I mean, if you can add cinematics, then of course it is good, but if you cannot, then fix your audio. So I still remember my last board exam tha, which was 2 years ago from now. I received this package, and from that point of time till now, I've been using this mic only. And it is also YouTube creators' first choice, but I don't recommend this. It is for 700 to 800 rupees. But why to spend 800 when your work can be done under 500? So instead of this, go for this. JBL CSLM20. During the sale, you can get it for 300 rupees as well. Believe me, the sound quality of every microphone starting from 200 up till 1000, like these microphones which I am using, they have literally the same audio. The difference between these mics is just like 19-20 ka fark, which can be fixed very easily with a minute sound editing. Sound check smartphone. Smartphone tum sabke paas hoga. The smartphone that I'm using is this. This is the Motorola Moto G72, and the other phone which I use is Moto G40 Fusion. That phone was for 13,000 rupees. This is for 19,000 rupees, but it has also been sold for 15,000 rupees during the sales. And from these smartphones, you can do absolutely anything. There is a YouTube creator, Irfan Junejo. He says one thing: the thing which limits your creativity also pushes your creativity. So stop crying over your equipments and do some work. Mic check, smartphone check. It's time for a tripod. It is extremely important to get a good tripod or So keeping everything aside, here is a tripod for you. This tripod is made out of aluminium and it is just for 330 rupees. But I don't recommend this holder. You can go for a better holder. Here is a recommendation from my side. Now it's time for headphones. It is extremely important to get good quality headphones if you want to do a good sound designing and overall video editing. So here is a recommendation from my side. If your budget is extremely tight, so this headphone, it is with aux and Bluetooth both, so you can listen to music and you can also do your video production work. Now if you have 200 rupees extra, then you can get this one. This is something which I would have chosen for myself just because of the ear cups, because they're extremely comfortable, and the battery life. Now the most important and the complex part, which is the lighting. Let me show you my Hollywood setup. Yes, that's all. It is extremely important to know about your equipments. Then after that, you can do anything with anyone. It is very easy to set up good lighting. You just need a lot of patience. That's it for this video. Pierrepoint Visual Arts, signing off.